Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. So finally Huawei unveiled the 10.4 Matepad with the M Pencil support. Huawei held an online launch event yesterday unveiling the new Nova 7 series of the phone, but alongside them we also got the new Huawei Matepad. It's essentially a toned down version of the Matepad Pro, announced last November in China in 2019. The Huawei Matepad is built around a 10.4-inch 2000 by 1200 pixel IPS display and Kirin 810 chipset. It packs a 7250 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging Wi-Fi Type-C port. Other hardware highlight of the Matepad include two 8-megapixel camera. The rear one does come complete with autofocus, while the selfie on is fixed focus. All of this crammed inside a 245.2mm multiplied by 154.96mm multiplied by 7.35mm metal body, tipping the scale at 450 grams. Most of the published press material focused on the tablet's use a educational tool. Huawei has backed an education center full of learning resource and complete with its own special focus UI. It works alongside a few other measures to make sure that younger users of the Matepad focus on their schoolwork and don't become addicted, and seeing how the biggest use case for the Matepad will likely be reading text. The tablet also include a special reading mode which not only cuts out blue light and simulates a monochrome e-paper like experience but also monitors for the user's eye distance and postural need. EMUI on the Matepad also offer multi-window support and integration with other compatible devices as part of the new EMUI 10.1. There are no Google service. In case you were wondering, the Matepad also offers support for Huawei M Pencil stylish accessories. The Huawei MateBook featured for a large Harman Kardon tuned speaker and an era of 4 microphone. In addition to boosting multimedia experience, it also facilitates virtual learning and classroom. The Huawei Matepad available in 3 storage configuration, 4GB plus 64GB with Wi-Fi. Pricing it's $270. The second variant is 6GB plus 128GB with Wi-Fi. Price is $310. The last variant is 6GB plus 128GB with LTE. Price is $350. You can have it in any color as long as it is a white. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you like this Huawei new Matepad with a 10.4-inch and with a pencil support? It's actually called M Pencil. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this Huawei Matepad or you like the Samsung Tab S6 Lite? Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe for more cool tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.